In this video, we're taking a tour of the United States Capitol building, home to Congress in the capital of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Congress first convened here in 1800, when Washington, D.C. was mostly swamps and taverns. The original sandstone Capitol was so unfinished that legislators shared committee rooms with plaster dust. The British helpfully remodeled by setting it on fire in 1814 during the War of 1812. The Americans rebuilt by 1819, added the House and Senate wings in the 1850s, and then, mid-Civil War, kept construction crews on scaffolds to finish the cast iron dome. President Abraham Lincoln insisted the work continue, calling the rising dome a symbol that the Union would endure. Workers hoisted the 15,000-pound Statue of Freedom in 1863, while cannon fire echoed less than 100 miles away. When it was done, the dome weighed 8,909,200 pounds. If you like visiting amazing places all over the world in VR, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Traveler VR. You're inside the Rotunda, a 96-foot marble dome crowned by the apotheosis of Washington. That ceiling fresco shows the first American president, George Washington, in a toga riding a cloud like he's late for brunch on Olympus. This room has hosted presidential funerals, civil rights icons, and that field trip where one kid threw up on the tour guide. The 8 giant canvases circling the room are America's greatest history hits. The landing of Columbus, discovery of the Mississippi by De Soto, the baptism of Pocahontas, the embarkation of the Pilgrims, the Declaration of Independence, the surrender of General Burgoyne, the surrender of Lord Cornwallis, the Washington resigning his commission. Fun fact, each canvas weighs over 300 pounds. Now, a few quick travel tips. Book free timed passes at visitthecapitol.gov. Slots drop 30 days out at 8 a.m. ET. Arrive 20 minutes early. There's airport-style security. No backpacks bigger than a toddler, unless you are a toddler.
Clockwise, you go to a different conquistadors. So the first one is Columbus going around the ship, and then you have Cortez like that.
Now we're in Statuary Hall, aka America's Room of Requirement. Every state donates 2 statues, and they stuck them in a circle, out of order. Whisper any secret under the cornice, and it teleports across the room. Downstairs is the crypt. Sounds spooky, but it's just 40 Doric columns holding up the rotunda. Dead center is the compass stone, from which every DC street number radiates. Meaning, if you get lost in DC, blame this rock. Fun fact sidebar, George Washington was almost buried here. He declined because he preferred Mount Vernon, his estate in Virginia. Thanks for joining me on the Traveler VR. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring.